Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and if you're new here, I'm the owner of Not Too Shabby, and we are an online-based company that sells all your favorite card making supplies. We also have our own line of products. We sell beautiful papers and stamps. So if you haven't checked out the store, I'll have the link in the description box for you. We just started doing our very own subscription box. So we have a box of the month. Every month there'll be a different theme, and this month's theme is insect cuties. And these little insects are so darn cute. Now you are able to purchase the box as a one-time purchase, or you could join the Box of the Month Club. So to join the Box of the Month Club, choose monthly as your frequency when you're checking out. You'll get an extra 5% discount at checkout. Plus you'll get other perks like special discounts to the shop. I'll throw a special coupon code for the month in your box. On your 6-month anniversary, you'll get a full-size 4x6 stamp set in your box as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All month long we'll have inspiration for you using these products. Now let's get into this card. For this card, you'll need to create a Slimline card base. Pick out your favorite color from the Faux Embossed watercolor Slimline paper pad. I chose this beautiful purple. Cut 3 circles down the center. I added some flick marks with some oxide ink to create even more texture. From the Insect Cutie stamp set, I colored these cuties with my Copic markers. You can use any medium you wish. I popped up all my characters with some foam tape, including the sentiment and the sunflower. So I'm just going to arrange them on the card until I think it looks pleasing. I kind of stagger the characters, so one is on the right and the other is on the left, and then the same going down. I don't have any coloring in this video for you, but these little cuties were very fun to color, and if you would like to see a coloring video on these, leave me a comment in the comments section down below. So I'm just going to arrange my little cuties, and then we're going to stick on some gems. So a fun little addition to this month's box is some Gina Marie Designs gems. The gems match the papers very nicely, so we're just going to use a few of these, and I'm going to arrange them around the circle. So I'm just going to put 3 just for a little accent there, and I think that looks really cute. So I really love how this card turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. I always enjoy reading your comments. It always makes my day. So I hope you guys like how this card turned out. So this pretty much finishes it. I'll have some pictures at the end. Thanks for stopping by and leaving a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!